Today's gonna be a seat install video. I've had these light pink seats in here for over a year, thrashing them so much. Drove across the country, drifting every single day. They've seen a lot of abuse. For a car that I'm drifting 24/7, they get dirty pretty easily, and I want to try and get them cleaned and keep them nice and maybe find another car to put them in. I'm gonna get these seats out of here and then throw in our new Prisma magenta glitter bat seats. We got a special delivery. We got some more Prismas. But these are actually really cool. They're a limited run that Prisma did of hot pink magenta. And right when I saw them, I knew I had to have them in the Barbie car. But I'm really excited, and I haven't seen this shade of pink Prisma seats in person yet. So I'm just gonna unbox them right now.
Oh.
More glitter bats. My favorite. Look at that. I'm going in. I'm going in.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty.
I love it. Wow. I like it a lot. This is a lot closer to the shade of magenta that's actually on the car. This is gonna look so good on the Barbie car. Let me see. Feels right.
Is this the same large or small?
So this is a medium. They only make these in medium and large. And this is a medium. And what I currently have in the Barbie car is a medium too, and it's
Yeah, it looks
perfect.
good. It looks really snug on you.
I know, this is good. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I wanted to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, Raid. If you're new to Raid, it's a turn-based RPG game that is free to play and available on both mobile and PC. We all love elves, right? Well, Raid has got plenty. They even have dark elves, who are like a legion of evil assassins and warlocks. These guys look really cool, and here are a few of my favorites. What I really love about the game is their insane attention to detail for every single character. With well over 500 champions to discover and collect throughout the game, no two champions are the same, with unlimited options for gameplay. This month, Raid's got a non-stop schedule of special activities. We're talking big rewards, tournaments against other players, special fragment events, and so much more. If you want to get a head start in Raid, all you have to do is hit the link in the description or scan my QR code and you'll get the epic hero, Chonaru, 200k silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill, and 1 ancient shard. All this treasure will be waiting for you right here in your inbox. Once you're in, you can find me in-game under the name cdavis77. Thanks again to Raid for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. I currently have the light pink Prismas in the Barbie car. They have been phenomenal, but they've been put through a lot of abuse and constant non-stop shredding in that car the past year. So there's a lot of stains on them, and when I saw this color, I knew this would be the perfect switch for that car. I love them. Way too close. I love these. These would look good in the Brat Bunny too, but we got her covered, and I think these are gonna fit perfectly with the Barbie car, especially with my headliner and my pillars that have the heart fabric all over it. I don't know. For the Brat? Nah. We'll keep them for the Barbie car. I love Prisma's entire lineup, and I'm gonna give a quick plug to Drift HQ because we have so many Prismas in stock right now. A lot of the limited edition ones that they did as well. Literally a couple 100 feet that way, we have them all in stock, ready to ship. So make sure you check out Drift HQ if you're trying to get your Prisma on.
We got ASMR girl.
Oh yeah.
All that noise right now.
Alright, that's enough for all you weird ASMR freaks out there. Alright, it's the next day. I realize now that I also kind of gave the 350Z a complete makeover. I just started working on the seats, which turned to the belts, which turned to some interior bits, and then we are also cleaning up the wrap as well. I am obsessed with the new seats in this car. It is completely like making this entire interior come alive. The shade of paint on the seats is like the perfect magenta to match the actual car. I love all the colors together now. I also threw in my neon yellow belts to match my neon yellow livery. Ray has been here a lot painting some stuff for Adam. I was able to get these wheels painted as well. And I don't think I've actually officially talked to you guys about these wheels. Now, these are the new Heart Wheels, Kokoro wheels from Heritage Wheels that are now monoblock. So the 3-piece ones were so popular. That's originally what I had made for this car. But now they make a monoblock in their Heart Wheel, which is a lot better for drifting, and I love it. It's making the Barbie car completely come together. Now I do have to repaint this front bash bar and the side ones. I would say that is my biggest pet peeve right now, is that the bash bars are a different color and they're not like a true neon yellow. This is House of Color Neon Chartreuse paint, the ultimate shade of neon yellow for all of you guys looking for that out there. New shoes and a full interior makeover, and it looks so good. I am obsessed with these seats, you guys. While the wheels are being painted, I also threw in the hydro and the centerpiece as well. And I love it so much. I mean, come on. Look at this beautiful thing now. These seats really brought everything together for me. There is so much going on, and I had a blast really dialing these two cars in. The reason why I was working on these two cars is because they are being shipped off to California today in like 30 minutes for a really awesome video shoot, and I will be able to tell you guys more about that later this month when that video is debuted. But it is really big and really awesome, and I'm so excited about it. We're gonna be shooting like a salt flat type scenery. It's gonna be wild. So I wanted to make sure both these cars were on point, and I'll be sending them off today.